Good morning, it's Carlos from NVSAUDIO. It's early in the morning, we're trying to deliver this road glide. It was done by another shop, so the customer had some blown 6 pints in the back, the other shop warrantied it. So we figured we'd just get him some new lids because he had some water leak issues, replace 6 pints and tune it. Nope, had to take the front apart. We have issues in the front, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. They use an Arc Auto Moto amp, which is an excellent piece. The plate that mounted directly under the factory radio, which is good. What I'm trying to figure out is, I guess they didn't own a set of wire cutters to cut the wires down to length. They just balled them up and left them there. And I noticed this as I tried to untwist it to see which speaker is giving me less than 1 ohm of impedance. So obviously it's driving the amplifier into protection. When I popped off the grills, I also realized that they didn't check for clearance. So the speaker's been hitting the grill and it's cracked right there. This side looks like it's making a little bit of contact, but it hasn't broken through yet. So we're gonna go ahead and router out the pod and push that back. All right, I'm gonna go through all this different speaker connectors, and then you're gonna watch the impedance on the screen so you can see what we have going on here. So if you look on the screen, we see 2.9 ohms. It's a little bit low, but the amplifier can handle it. On the next one, 2.9 ohms. So I'm assuming those are the rear speakers. Now we're gonna go to the other connector. 9.8 ohms. There's some 9.10 meg ohms. There's definitely something wrong there. But this is the one I'm worried about here, the very last one. 0.5 ohms. So I'm assuming it's a blown speaker or something shorted, but that's why the amp's going into protection.